Running out of room or fed up digging through the clutter on top of your desk? Our ultra slim drawer offers the perfect under-desk storage solution, providing a place to store your papers, accessories and devices without eating into your legroom. It's easy to install, so let me show you how. To complete this, you will require a power drill with a 3mm or 1/8 of an inch drill bit, as well as a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by unboxing the ultra slim drawer, and we will need to separate these two parts for installing. To do this, open the drawer, setting it on its side to access the tracks. Here you'll see a tab inside the track. Press this down whilst lightly pulling out the drawer, and then repeat this on the other side. Now in some cases, you may find you have to do this more than once on each side to separate it completely. Now that we have both sides separate, take the inner drawer and place this to one side for now, as we'll now attach the outer shell to the bottom of our desktop. Raising the Desky to its tallest height for easy access, you can choose to install the drawer on either side of your Desky. With the cutout facing down and outwards, and the flat surface and 4 holes facing up, align the edge of the drawer to be straight and parallel with the edge of the desk. And this can either be made flush with the edge of the desktop, set back and aligned with the frame of the desk, or in this example, we'll set the drawer back 20mm from the front edge of the desktop. Then take a pencil or pen and mark out the 4 screw holes found inside the drawer. And then pre-drill to a depth of 16mm, ensuring here not to go too deep. Then with the 4 holes drilled, go ahead and place the drawer into position with the cutout facing outwards. Use the 4 screws that are provided and attach the drawer to the underside of the desktop. Once the outer drawer is secure, take the inner drawer and carefully insert it into the outer drawer, and it will once again click into position and is now ready to be used. And that's how you install the Desky Ultra Slim Drawer. If you need any help, you can always reach out to our friendly Desky team. Thanks for watching.